In this video, we're going to discuss how to create variations on product attributes. So in this case, we have a product that has already been created. What we need to do is scroll down to the product data section and change it from a simple product to a variable product. After we do that, we need to go to the attributes section. We already have some attributes set up. In this case, we have the size set up. We have two sizes here, large and extra large. If we wanted to add more, we could do that. We could add them all. Now we need to select used for variations, and then we're going to save this. The next thing we're going to do is go to the Variations tab, and under the Variations tab we're going to create variations from all attributes, and we're going to tell it to go ahead and do that. You can see it should give you a confirmation that it added some attributes. Now the next thing we need to make sure to do is, if you see right here, you've got a little drop down so you can manage each attribute individually as far as the price or whether it's in stock and so on and so forth. Or you can also manage them as a group. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'm going to manage them as a group right now. So you need to be sure to give each one of these attributes a price. You see where it says variation price is required. It will show out of stock if you don't do this. So what I like to do is go up here under the add variation, and then I'm going to set regular prices. And I'm going to hit go. Now then it'll prompt me to enter a price that will be applied to all of the individual variations. So you can manage them all here at one time, or you can go individually. If each size has a different price, you could manage it that way. Okay, so now after we do that, what we want to do is we want to save our changes, and then we want to make sure to update our product. And now when we go to this page for this product, you'll see this is before it's been updated. We don't have the size listed here. We have them down here. In this section it says size available, large and extra large, but we can't select it here in the cart area. So if we update this now, you'll see that now these options have been made available. So hopefully that clears up how to add variations from attributes on products in WordPress.